Main totahon, pinray kafasi, na main asman, na za main karahi, na puri azadi, na puri hulami, basubang kayado, au yadom kikami. Paon main payal, pang saza. Rang tohlaal. Hara, bila, nila. But inside, I am a bond of a word, a piece of a story, the wetness of a story. In childhood, I was the king of the jungle. The first word felt like mother. Everyone laughed at me. Ain bolta, or sansar sajtatha. Fir ek din, jaal mein fanskaya, sidha bazar. Fir ek pinjra banahar, pang hapihain, par udan kahaan. Nawah pet, nawah basan kasafar, mein totahon beol tahon. Ram ram, radhe radhe. Hello, but what is hidden inside? Does it also have some audio? They say to me, son, say something. I say what I have learned. Their laughter, their applause, me, mein palta ek or virgatha, parkya koi pushtahay, ki mein kisliero tahun ratar, yaptaga mei khotahin, o munpege ketagun se takata hey baba, main ne dekha hayinsa. I turned another heroic saga. But does anyone ask? Why do I cry all night when the stars stare at me and the mouth hits the bars of the cage again and again? I have seen humans and Kajivan, the secrets, pain and games inside the house. I saw little children crying and mothers with tears in their eyes, with mail. I hear the drama of every day, the story of the house, love and deceit. I am just a parrot, but I have the world's restriction. Sometimes I think, why me? Is my voice my punishment? Is my art of speaking my imprisonment? Is my identity metapaphay? Mein visapna dekta honudaanga. Asmaan ki agosh. Mein hoyaan ka. Firkisi siya babaithkar. Kit puraniya adon kagaanika. Mein toda hun, parkahani hun, mein jize. They understand life. That is the profound essence of a life, where there is a world in every feather. I was once a friend of a saint who used to tell me the Ramayana every day. Even after his departure, I have his songs, et nahi chod abtak. Main kabi ek khor kesati tha, jo muhe sikata ta shub kabolna. Main uski koryon kagawata, pa main tobas tota, muhe kyabolna. Main kabi ek premika kasangita, yo muhia, prem bolti ti bar bar. Uske yane ke bad, mera pinjra bilagta hai khali sar. Par main jinda hun har suba, har sham.